लवली। सो ऐसे ही एक चाय पीते पीते मुझे बहुत बार ख्याल आता है बीते हुए दिनों में बहुत सारे कुछ ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स जो लगता है कि आई विश आई कुड जस्ट गो बैक इन टाइम एंड अनडू एंड रीडू, चेंज समथिंग एंड डू इट अ लिटिल बेटर। आपको नहीं लगता है? Yes, so today's video is going to talk about what if we had the power to go back and undo and redo some of the things. What would they be and why? अब ये thought मेरे दिमाग में आया कैसे? So this goes back to 1980-81. So I must have been in class 5 at the time. And we were in Calcutta. So there was this Amar Chitra Katha comics. I don't know how many of you would remember. So Amar Chitra Katha people, they decided to have this contest and they went to all the schools and had this quiz on history. अब हमारी हिस्ट्री टेक्स्ट बुक्स में से कम और अमर चित्र कथा पढ़ के ज़्यादा डेवलप हुई थी. सो आई एंड माई ब्रदर एंड माई सिस्टर वी वर बिग फैंस ऑफ अमर चित्र कथा एंड मोस्ट ऑफ वॉट वी नो इन इंडियन हिस्ट्री इज़ थैंक्स टू दोज कॉमिक्स. तो ऑब्वियसली आई हैड टू टेक पार्ट. So there were 3 rounds in the school and I cleared those 3 rounds from my school and we were called to one big hall for the finals. So उसमें final में 2 rounds थे. Qualifying round I cleared and now I was in the final. If I won in that, I would be one of the winners in the entire Calcutta city. Wow, it was so big and I was so confident that I would get it that when my chance came, so they asked me one very simple question: how did Chandrasekhar Azad die? And I said, oh my god, I know this, I got this, I'm going to be the winner. And in my excitement I got so jumbled in my head that before I knew it, from my mouth came the words, he was hanged. And there I was, the quiz master, he shook his head and he said, no my child, he shot himself. And I could have shot myself then and there. मुझे अपने ऊपर इतना गुस्सा आया कि वो 1981 और अब ये 2021, कितने साल हो गए? 40 साल हो गए. लेकिन अब भी जब मैं वो दिन याद करती हूँ, आई मेंटली किक माई सेल्फ एंड आई ऑलवेज एंड अप विशिंग, आई विश आई कुड गो बैक एंड आंसर इट करेक्टली बिकॉज आई नो what the right answer is. So ऐसे ही सोचते सोचते लगा ज़िंदगी में कई सारी ऐसी चीज़ें होगी जो हमें लगता है आई विश आई कुड गो बैक एंड डू इट डिफरेंटली. सो जैसे वो कंप्यूटर्स में जब आप कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट बनाते हैं तो लेफ़्ट साइड टॉप में रहता है ना अनडू एंड रीडू. इमेजिन अगर हमारी ज़िंदगी में भी ऐसे ही को बटन्स हो, वाह क्या मज़ा आ जाए. सो ऐसे सोचते सोचते मैंने सोचा अगर मेरे पास वो बटन्स हो तो मैं भला क्या बदलना चाहूँगी. सो एट दिस एज इन लाइफ व्हेन आई थिंक बैक आई फील बड़ा तो मोटा मोटा सब ठीक है, मुझे उसमें कुछ बदलना नहीं. बस वो छोटी छोटी इंसिडेंट्स, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें जो मैंने अपनी बेवकूफ़ी की वजह से मिस कर दी, उन्हें मैं ज़रूर चेंज करना चाहूँगी. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, I remember my father took us to our first holiday to a beautiful hill station called Mussoorie near Dehradun. तो 2 दिन का वो ट्रिप था. And all I remember of that trip even today is I was such a sadu. I was in such a horrible mood throughout that trip simply because of 2 things. They didn't have my favorite food and my mother forgot to pack my favorite sweater. All the time I kept on feeling miserable. I did not enjoy the beauty. I did not enjoy all the rides and all the scenery and everything that my family did. आज भी जब हम बैठ के बात करते हैं, सब कोई ना कोई सुंदर मेमोरी के बारे में बात करते हैं और मुझे क्या याद आता है, Oh, I was in such a lousy mood and I was so grumpy. Now I wish I could go back and change that and say, what the bloody hell, favorite sweater नहीं आया तो क्या हुआ, दूसरे से चला लो, 2 ही दिन की तो बात है. सो ऐसे बहुत सारे इंस्टेंसेस, बहुत सारे पल ऐसा होता है जब हमें बाद में हाइंडसाइट में देखकर लगता है, ओहो, आई कुड हैव डन इट डिफरेंटली, आई कुड हैव डन इट बेटर. बट उस टाइम पर जब वो हो रहा होता है, व्हेन वी आर लिविंग थ्रू दैट मोमेंट, वी समहाउ just don't realize it that this moment is now and from henceforth till we die going to become a permanent memory in the book of our lives. That moment is so important and we just throw it away because of some silly thing or the other. पर ये विजडम भी दोस्तों ऐसे ही थोड़ी आ जाता है जब उम्र के उस मोड़ पर पहुंच जाते हैं, जब हम पीछे मुड़कर देखते हैं, जब वो यादों की खिड़कियों को खोलते हैं, तब हमें लगता है अरे काश. सो माई अपील टू ऑल ऑफ यू इज स्टार्टिंग टुडे, स्टार्टिंग दिस मोमेंट, start living life as if you are making history. And yes, of course you are making your own life story. Every day, every moment, every activity, every event is going to become history. And if that history is beautiful, you will pull it out and revisit those pages, relook at those albums again and again and relive the joy. But if you're going to create only misery there and you're going to let those moments pass by in a haze, जैसे बहुत हाई स्पीड पे जब कार जाती है और आप बाहर देखिए पूरी सुंदर सीनरी एक हेज़ की तरह नज़र आती है, क्या आप चाहेंगे कि आपकी ज़िंदगी पे ऐसे ही एक हेज़ बन जाए? नहीं ना. So slow down that speed on that car, enjoy each moment, enjoy each day, and remember each of these days is going to become one beautiful page in the history of your book. I also remember one day when both my kids were very small and they played their favorite music and they were both dancing. And I was in the kitchen making some food. And they called out to me so many times, Mama, come and dance with us. Mama, come and dance with us. And I was like, oh, shoo, get away. You go ahead. I have so much to do. I have to cook. I have to clean. I have to do this. And then I have to, finish off some office work. And today when I have the time and I tell them, come kids, let's dance. Oh, where are the kids? They have both grown up and they look at me like, excuse me, dance to this? Because me and my music are now both old fashioned for them. Their taste in music has changed. वो आगे बढ़ गए और मेरे वो मेमोरीज ही क्रिएट नहीं हुई. अब मैं वो मेमोरीज क्रिएट करना चाहती हूँ, अब वो बच्चे नहीं रहे, समा बदल गया, right? So I wish I could go back, undo and redo and forget the cooking that could have been done half an hour later. I wish I could have danced with them and treasured and created that beautiful moment. So today's story is all about not having to wish for this undo and redo, but actually doing it right from today onwards. Be conscious, be aware. The past is gone, but the choice of making the present into something memorable is with us. Exercise that choice and make each day count. Let's not look at the redo and undo button, but let's do what we can starting today. So if somewhere this video resonates with you, don't forget to hit on the like button, share with those around you, and let's spread the vibes of inspiration. Click on the bell icon to subscribe to my channel if not already done. And let me know if there is any such moment or memory in your life that you want to go back and undo and redo. काश कि वो ऐसी टाइम मशीन हो जिसमें मैं टाइम ट्रैवल करके पास्ट में जाऊं और अनडू और रीडू कर दूं. अगर कुछ ऐसा है तो लिखना ना भूलिए. आई वुड लव टू हियर फ्रॉम यू एंड आई वुड लव टू रीड what you have written. So with that, this video is a wrap. I will enjoy my tea and make today and this moment beautiful and memorable. You go ahead, make those beautiful memories from today, from right now. Alright? Until we meet again next week with yet another video, this is SK signing off. Adios and bye bye.